Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and this is our fourth unboxing in a row. So if you see us in the same outfit, that's why I'm trying to do this. I never know how to do it I don't know, anymore. Because I know, I feel like I'm not doing, I explain it. I feel like I'm doing the wrong side or something. Am I picking the wrong side? No, see, it's just got that little, I feel like I'm gonna slice my own head off
or
if I'm
something.
not careful. Or break the knife, is that possible?
I know, we got a dull knife and it has to be opened enough.
Let's see if that worked. I always butcher it. Okay. But I know everybody else and their mother has gotten this Sephora play box already. But I hope that's not almost too high. I don't know. And Kim got hers, but she didn't really like what she got.
About half and half, I think.
Yeah.
Right?
So it lists, of course, this side with the extra beauty insider whatnot points, and then what I got on that side. It says beauty blends for your ingredients or just for your drinks. Now me.
Oh, and I didn't show the bag, so hang on. There you go.
It's just back to the old school bag, and I don't know if any of you guys recycle these. I just throw them away now. I was trying to reuse them, or we were gonna donate them to Goodwill or something, so maybe somebody could use them. But ones like this,
I don't know.
I just toss. But it seems like everybody. Again, and their moms or sisters or whatever, they all got this.
Every person got that.
Yeah, the Tarte Party. I'm not gonna even open it or swatch it. It's going automatically into the giveaway.
Yeah, we realized, or we found that we did have that color already, and
she was gonna give me hers if I didn't have it, and then it was sitting there in my purse, and I didn't even realize not needed. So this is am I pronouncing it
chorus? I don't remember.
Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil for all skin types. So this one, I love skincare, so that is going to be kept by me. That's one I would like to, get, but I'm fine with that. This one's Biossance, I think squalane and probiotic gel moisturizer, hydrates, brightens, and balances skin. So again, this one, I'm always scared, is too low or too high. This one's a good one too for me. And then, I forgot, oh, you got the lipstick too, right? Mm-hmm. Did you swatch it on yours?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I think I did.
Salt
did
Life. I already have, sure. I don't know. I'll probably do giveaway on this one too, because unless I'm really desperate, but most likely giveaway 50-50, but most likely. And then Briogeo, right? Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protecting Cream. This one, as my sister was saying, I think in one of our videos, I don't really blow dry my hair that much. In the winter, it gets really cold in my house, so I tend to blow dry it more. But I mean, even then, it's probably once every 2 weeks, not like most people. And the last, can you hold this? I don't make it fall over. The last thing I got that was Genius Liquid Collagen Algenist. Probably said that backwards, Algenist. But that was it. So I like that. I got these three. These three I like. The other two can go either giveaway or wherever. Oh, and then my
three.
My blush.
Too. Yeah. So 3 and 3. 3 for giveaway, 3 to keep.
Because and I do want to get just more palettes just to put in the giveaway. That's all I'd hope, because I know a lot of people love palettes. So whenever I get one of my beauty boxes with palettes, it's going to go in the giveaway, because I think that's what you guys like more than some of these smaller things. But that was it for this video. If you saw anything you like, give us a thumbs up. It's always fast as usual. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of those featured giveaways. And take care of yourselves. Bye.